Hey guys, we received this Arteza colored gel pens. They are pack of 24. They have different colors, and the gel pen is retractable. I can just show you. So these are good for writing, drawing, or note taking, or any other thing. Some people they just like the different colors to take the notes and stuff. And this is the whole set, as you can see, with these all different retractable gel pens. This is a clip holder like on your shirt. You can just use the clip to hold on the pocket, and then the retractable gel. So this is a protective thing that you have to take out first. So really nice vibrant color here. And then using this pens is pretty cool. I'm just taking out some to test and try. So with the gel pen, the ink and the brightness is good. The flow is good, and then I can easily write. You can see like how smooth it is, and then the writing and the stuff is pretty good. So can be used, and you can also do refilling of these. Like you can change the refills, and you can reuse these gel pens. So there are a bunch of colors that you can see it here, and also can use for your different purposes.